If you are having trouble finding out where or how to delete your Yahoo account and email address, here's where to do it. Go to this web address, https://edit.yahoo.com/config/delete_user. If you hadn't already logged into Yahoo, you'll be prompted to do so here, so enter your login details now. Once you've logged in, a screen similar to this one will then come up confirming the Yahoo ID or account you are looking to delete. Read through the information before you delete the account so you know exactly what happens, such as your Flickr account being deleted if you have one, the fact that it takes up to 90 days for your details to be deleted from their database, etc. You then need to enter your password again down the bottom here for security reasons. Below that, you need to type the code that displays. And finally, click on the button that says, yes, terminate this account. You should then receive a confirmation screen informing you that your account has been terminated, that you no longer have access to the account, but that your details will be deleted from their database in 90 days.